Okay, today we are going to talk a little more about prosody and how words are linked together to make your speech sound smooth and natural. And there are a lot of different ways that words can link together. So, the first way is when there's a vowel plus a consonant. The vowel just kind of runs into the consonant and it all kind of smoothly blends together. There's no pause in the middle. For instance, if I want to say I saw, I don't normally say I saw. I say I saw, I saw. So I'm going to say some sentences with this type of word linkage, and then you can repeat them and practice saying them smoothly. All right, so we've got, I saw a lovely garden yesterday. Close the door. She went out of the house. I want a new car. They need to move quickly. I put them away. I don't know what to do. Can you see the light? We'll see you at 8 o'clock. The dog is in the garden. She has a lot of energy. I have to go to work now. Can you give me a hand? We're late for the meeting. He found out about the surprise. So the second type is when the consonant comes first and then the vowel. It's just the flip version of the first one we talked about. So a word ends in a consonant, the next one begins with a vowel. So you still just kind of link those together, make them smooth. He brought an apple for lunch. We saw an interesting movie last night. She gave a basketball to those children. It was easy. She's on time. Hold on a second. It's over there. Turn it off. How are you? Take it, please. Where is it? Tell us about it. He went out of the house. Come on in. Pick it up. Look at me. What are they doing? Take out the trash. Pass it along. He's out of her league. Can you pick it up later? He's always around here. Put your coat on the chair. It's important to stay calm. He's asking her for a raise. Their idea inspired innovative solutions. I wear overalls every day. We care about everyone in this community. I hear exciting news every day. Your expertise is an essential asset. Okay, so next we have the vowel to vowel link. One word ends in a vowel and the next word begins in a vowel. And so there are a couple of different types for this. If the first word ends in a vowel that sounds like an O or a oo or U, so a long O or a long U, then we're going to link it to the next word with a W kind of sound. And that's because of the way we make those O's and Oo's. You can see my lips are rounding like this. It just naturally kind of becomes a W type sound. So O, oo. For instance, instead of saying you owe me, it's you owe me, you owe me. Can you see my lips round for the W? All right, let's try some sentences. You owe me nothing anymore. Go ahead. I want to eat an apple. We'll see you at 8 o'clock. Let's go out for dinner. How are you feeling today? I'll meet you at the park. Do it now, please. You and I have always been good friends. You invited everyone, didn't you? I love snow in December. Go outside for some fresh air. It is too early to leave now. Do any of them want to join? Lou is my best friend. So there's another type of vowel plus vowel blend, and that's when the first word ends in a long A, E, or I. In that case, it's joined more with a Y type sound, the ya. For instance, he is here. He is here. He is here. Let's try some more. He is here. See you later. Stay up late. They are already on their way. Can you give me a hand? They ask so many questions. I agree with your idea. He always arrives early. We understand the instructions. She asked about the meeting. My ice cream is melting. Can you see it over there? So if you notice, some of these words actually end in a Y, which makes it helpful, but some don't. There's no Y involved as far as the spelling, but you know you have to pronounce the Y to blend it correctly.